our alignment to the campaign that we have in protecting your people. Let's go for our campaign. Ang pangalan ng campaign natin, Orbis Victus International. Orbis Victus, para po align tayong lahat. Alam nyo kung anong message ng pangalan natin. Guys, listen to this carefully. Orbis and Victus. Ano ba yung Orbis, Miko? Orbis, O-R-B-I-S, is a Latin term meaning compass. So compass actually symbolizes guidance, direction, and a positive movement towards the north. Victus symbolizes life, victory, and success. Yung Orbis, dapat S to. Pero binago natin, ginawa nating X. Bakit? That X, actually, if you combine that to the first letter of Victus or victory, X and V is the Roman numerical symbol for number 15. 15 years of stability, 15 years of hard work, 15 years of sacrifice, 15 years of innovation, 15 years of changing people's lives. Yan po ang mensahe natin in Orbis Victus International, because what we are offering here, what we're gonna promote and market here is not product-based but service-based protection. We have partnered with one of the leading, technological provider in Southeast Asia, InsurTech. Ano ba tong InsurTech na to, Miko? What is InsurTech? You've been talking about this terminology. Now, to tell you frankly, eto po talaga yung industriya na papasukin natin. Now, InsurTech is actually a combination of insurance or protection industry combined with technology. Kasi 6 years ago, yung mga pinakamalulupit sa insurance industry, they have realized that it's about time to disrupt and innovate the protection industry. So, kinumbine na nila ng technology to make it more efficient, to make it more accessible, simple, fast, user-friendly, competitive, mga kaibigan, mas pinadali, mas binuksan sa maraming tao ang protection industry. Ngayon, wala nang papel-papel, wala nang digital, all digital, paperless, mas pinabilis, mga kaibigan. And right now, introducing our first InsurTech protection product of Orbis Victus International. Ang produkto po natin, ang tawag Seal Pro. Clear? So again, the campaign, the company is Orbis Victus International, and our first initial product is Seal Pro. Ano ibig sabihin ng Seal Pro? Seal Pro is actually an acronym for Self-Empowered Asset and Life Protection. Now again guys, from the word itself, seal, sinelyuhan, sinil, sinarado, kinlose, pinotektohan, sinecure. That's what seal really means. Now again, bakit natin gustong i-seal ang buhay? Bakit natin gustong i-seal ang mga partners natin? Again, Seal Pro, by the way, is an accident, term, life accident term protection. When you say term, you pay for a particular period of time. So nag-expire, nagre-renew. Ang term natin is 1 year. So we will focus more on accident muna. But again, as an initial product, umpisa pa lang po ito. Marami pa ang parating na riders at mga parating pang produkto ng Orbis Victus International. But for now, let's anchor first in accident. Now again, bakit ba importante yan? Bakit ba importante na magpa-seal? Why do we need to get sealed? The first important point, let me just give you 3 very fast, very quick points. Bakit mo kailangan magpa-seal? Why do you need to seal and protect and secure your life and your family? Now again, ladies and gentlemen, ito pong mga babanggitin namin lahat, may mga videos naman po ito. Lalabas po ang lahat ng mga marketing collaterals, AVPs na mga gamit ninyo, 1 minute, 2 minute. Ito pong ginagawa natin is live, kaya medyo mahaba kasi ina-explain ko lahat in detail. But paglabas ng mga marketing collateral, you will be having all the videos and AVP in a very short nugget. Pero importante, ma-master nyo muna. Kaya kailangan umattend kayo araw-araw, even before our launching, tuloy-tuloy po natin gagawin to. Alright, so 3 points why you need to get sealed. Number 1, you need to get sealed for you to protect. Alright? Because your hard-earned asset deserves it. When I say hard-earned asset, napaka-importante po. Alright? Na maproteksyonan yung hard-earned asset niyo. Pinaghirapan niyo yan, pinagpawisan niyo yan, dugo at pawis ang ginugol niyo. Ilang gabing puyat, sleepless nights for you to actually have the cash flow, the income that you have right now. Yung mga napundar ninyo. Now again, why does accident protection will help you to protect this, no? Kasi again, guys, we want to protect your income and your assets from any unexpected event and expenses. Marami kasing tao, we know that we are living in a very uncertain time. Anything can happen. We're not saying na may mga aksidente, syempre lahat tayo gusto natin safe tayong lahat. But anything can happen. But what I want to tell you is this, pag secured and sealed, pag ikaw sealed ka, hindi mo kailangang maglabas ng pera coming from your income or your cash flow, pangbayad sa mga unexpected event. Let me show you. There's a lot of people today that are not aware about this. In the Philippines alone, look at this. Ang Philippine healthcare and accident expenditures, gastos pagdating sa aksidente and healthcare na hindi mo alam kailan darating. In 1 year alone, sa loob ng isang taon, umaabot ng 684 billion pesos. At ang nakakalungkot dyan, out of that 684 billion na gastos sa aksidente, pagpapa-hospital, more than half, 373 billion is out of the pocket. Pag sinabing out of the pocket, galing sa bulsa. Alright? Ang pinangbayad sa ospital ay yung cash flow, yung income. Minsan yung iba nagsangla ng bahay, nagsangla ng sasakyan, lahat na lang sinangla para makapagbayad lang sa ospital, para sa pagpapagamot sa aksidente. Minsan pati asawa sinangla. Ha? Lahat na sinangla, makapagbayad lang. No, kasi minsan accident can happen anywhere. No, in fact, let me show you some numbers here. That's in reality. I'm talking about reality. I'm just trying to break the ice by making some jokes here, pero reality po ito. Look at this. An estimate 1.5 million family taon-taon sa Pilipinas ang naitutulak sa kahirapan dahil sa mga unexpected at hindi inaasahang gastos ng aksidente. Alam niyo po yan. Napakarami nating kakilala, kaibigan, kamag-anak na dati, alam natin yung storya. Ang ganda ng buhay. Okay, provided ang family. Pero nung may nangyaring aksidente sa breadwinner ng family, you know what happened? Nagkautang-utang yung buong pamilya. Nung nawala yung breadwinner na aksidente, na total disability or nawala, ano nangyari? Naiiwan yung pamilya, naiiwan yung mga anak. Minsan yung asawa naka-move on na sa love life, nakalimutan na yung nawalang asawa pero yung utang nandun pa rin. Naka-move on sa love life pero sa utang hindi naka-move on. Again, ladies and gentlemen, what I'm trying to say is napakarami pong gantong pamilya na itutulak sa kahirapan because of unexpected accident. Imagine, isang unexpected accident lang mangyari, wala lahat ng pinaghirap-hirapan mo. Ilang taon mo nag-ipon, 10 years nagtrabaho, 10 years nag-ipon sa ibang bansa. Pag-uwi, may isang aksidente lang na nangyari, tapos lahat ng naipon. Ubos lahat ng asset. Are you following me? That's why you need to get sealed because when you are sealed, you are protected. Pag may unexpected accident, wala kang problema. Alright? May magbabalik sa iyo ng gagastusin mo. May maiiwan para sa pamilya mo. And in connection to this, the second point, why you need to get sealed? Because your family deserves it. You don't want your family, ladies and gentlemen, na mahirapan sila whatever happens to you as the breadwinner. Ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you, as breadwinners, you are talented. You are skillful. Kaya ikaw ang nandyan, kaya ikaw ang nilagay ni Lord dyan sa pwesto mo ngayon because He knows na ikaw ang puputol ng sumpa ng kahirapan ng pamilya mo. Because you are skilled, you have the talent, you are able, you are capable. And let me tell you this, because you have the ability, then it is your responsibility na proteksyonan yung mga dependents mo. And your dependents is your family. So again, guys, you need to seal your life because your family deserve it. Your family deserves it. You want to have the power to protect your family's present and future. So whatever happens, alam mong magtutuloy-tuloy ang buhay nila. Alam mong tuloy-tuloy sila, may pang-araw-araw, whatever happened to you. You know you are protecting them because you love them. And because you know that you are responsible, so you need to actually seal yourself. And last but not the least, why you need to get sealed? Okay? Because you don't want stress. You don't want worry. Ang daming tao na araw-araw worried, araw-araw ang daming stress. Guys, I'm telling you, you want to get sealed because you personally deserve it. You personally deserve it. Deserve mo yan, kaibigan. Alam nyo, hindi mo man makuha yung mga claims, hindi mo man makuha ang benefits, guys, you deserve to get sealed because the first benefit that you will get, the immediate benefit that you will get, is the peace of mind. Siyempre, wala naman sa ating gustong ma-aksidente. Wala naman sa atin ang gustong may mangyaring masama sa atin, right? Pero hindi mo man makuha yung mga claims na binibili mo sa protection mo, hindi mo man makuha yung mga benefit kagad ng protection. Siyempre, wala namang gusto makaklaim, pero ang immediate benefit na makukuha mo is the peace of mind. And when you have the peace of mind, you can play full out. Kaya mo ilabas ang potential mo. You can elevate your life. You can do your best in whatever you do. Kasi wala kang reservations. Wala kang worry. You know that you are sealed.